Hello there and welcome to today's episode. Today we are going to talk about digital marketing for a service-based business. Okay, so what's a service-based business? Well, I'm a service-based business, digital marketing agency. Also got a finance brokerage. I've also got a pet food company. That's not a service-based business. That is an e-commerce store. So service-based business is you offering a service online. So it could be a travel agency, it could be an accountancy, it could be, a coach, or it could be any of these different things. Okay. And how do you market those? How do you get those out using digital marketing? How do you cut through the noise? Because trust me, there are thousands of people just like you trying to cut through the noise and kind of get out there. So how do we do that? How to market a service-based business, basically. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about us. I'm going to talk about HC Media Group and what we do, okay? Because all we do is we follow a formula. We follow a process, okay? So remember, why does somebody purchase from you, okay? The reason someone purchases from you is because they trust you're going to get better results than your competitor. That's it. Trust is your brand score. So got bigger brand means you're trusted more. So what we're trying to do actually through our marketing is put out trust. Okay, so there's a few things that we do to be able to purvey that trust and to be able to push that trust and to make sure that our competitors are not thought of when people want the service. Okay, so there's a few things. Okay, the first thing I always stress: write a marketing strategy. You might be bored if you've listened to a number of my episodes. Always say strategy first. Okay, we write our marketing strategy every single year. I put KPIs in. I know exactly what I'm doing. I set all the tasks for the whole year in January. Okay, I know the episodes of my podcast that I'm going to be doing in October. We are now in June. Okay, I've got everything laid out. I use a project management system called Asana, and I set up, I do the strategy, I break that strategy down to individual tasks. I put those tasks onto Asana. I don't, the team does. And we then schedule them out for the year, and then we act on that, and we just tick every single box as we go, and then we get in there. So the things that we do is, number one, Google. Okay, nobody wants a service. Nobody actually wants a new accountant. They don't want to pay for a new accountant. Nobody really wants to pay for a travel agent. Nobody wants to pay for a digital marketing agency. What they do want is the result of that. They want to. My missus at the moment, we're planning a trip away to Disneyland. We've got 3 girls, so it's just like, this is a bit stressful to kind of working it out on our own. So why don't we just go to a travel agent? They can take all the hassle. They can sort everything out. They do all the booking and everything. We don't have to do anything when we go. We do want to use a travel agent. We just didn't want the hassle of doing it ourselves. But if a travel agent phones me 6 weeks ago and said, "Hi, Chris, I want to do your package," I would have gone, "No, it's fine. Don't need you." Even 2 weeks ago, we had this discussion 4 nights ago. And at that point, I went, "Oh, okay." Go online, go to Google, nearest travel agent. I've got friends that are travel agents, so obviously we're going to be using them, but that's not the point. You go onto Google and search, I need a new accountant, I need a travel agency, I need a marketing agency, I need this, I need this, I need this, I need this. So Google is the most important tool for service-based business, because when somebody's searching, they're in the buying process. Okay, if I searched, I want a travel agency because I want to go to Disneyland, and ping, this company popped up and says, Disneyland specials. We can sort this, and this out. And all you have to do is this, click here, and we can sort things out. I would have clicked 100% and gone through that buying process. I would have. If I need an accountant, okay, the first thing we do, when we were starting up, we did, obviously, we've got a few businesses now. We needed an accountant, so we went onto Google. Where's our accountant? pick the top accountant. Okay, we'll phone them, see what they're like. And, as with most things, you find the top 2 or 3, you see what they're like, you get some quotes and whatnot. If you're page 2 of Google, you're never going to get that deal. You're never going to get the phone call, not alone the deal. So making sure that you're top of Google is imperative. I am top of Google for digital marketing agency in Essex. Okay, I'm based in Essex, though we do nationwide. We're based in Essex, so digital marketing agency Essex. We are number 1 on Google and number 1 on Google Maps, which brings us a lot of traffic. Also, it brings us a lot of trust in what we're doing. Obviously, I'm saying to people, "Oh, you need to do SEO. Are you any good at it?" Yeah, we're number 1. So we are pretty good at it. So Google is, the first thing to do when you're, doing service-based business. The second is email marketing. Okay, email marketing is incredibly important when you're doing service-based business. And what I like to do here is education-based. Okay, letting people know what's going on in the industry and letting them know that you're an expert in that industry. So when we send our emails out, I'm not going to send buy my services, buy my services, buy my services. But what I am going to send is Google Analytics are changing. This is what you need to look out for. This is how you need to fix it. If you're having trouble, get in touch. I'm also going to send what is a Google penalty. If you're seeing a drop of traffic, if you're seeing that you get low conversions, if you're seeing that you used to get 10,000 visits a month, now you're getting 1,000 visits a month, this is what might have happened. This is how you fix it. But if you want us to help you, here's my number. Okay, so it's not sell, but it's having a look at what's going on in the industry and pumping out that information to push it, really, to help these people and kind of get that, get their business moving, because it's trust. Social media, okay, we do bits of social media, but I do not ever expect a sale from social media. Social media is a trust element. Okay, nobody's going to see your post, digital marketing, see your post and go, "Oh, I need a marketing agency, I'll go to them." Okay, or I need an accountant. Well, I know what they're going to do is they're going to be inspired and go, "Oh, yeah, that looks good. Let me just go onto Google and have a look at a few things." I've done this a lot. I've looked at a lot of sort of service-based business. I think I've dealt with over 1,000 businesses easily. Worked with them on their brand, on pushing their marketing, on the Google Analytics, on a number of different stuff. And what I've done over that time is I've looked at a lot of Google Analytics, and I can see where the traffic is coming from. I can see where the I can see where the conversions are coming from. If you looked at 1,000 businesses in the same industry, you'd understand that industry so well. And I think that's one of our USPs, because I look, as a founder of a business, I look at absolutely everything. So when you come on board with us, I will look and I'll put together the plan and whatnot. Another good element for service-based businesses, okay, is education. Don't see yourself as I don't see myself as a somebody that builds websites. We build websites, but I see myself as an educator. I educate people on the best way to get a website to convert, and they go, "Oh, can you build my website and get it to convert?" Of course we can. We've got a process that works. I just teach people the process. Our clients are accountants. They don't just sell accounting. They tell people about the changes that are coming to the tax brackets, the changes are coming in the law, the changes that are coming in all of these different areas. They educate people. And because they educate people, people then love it a bit more. They trust it a bit more. They go, "Okay, you speak on my level. You know what I need." And then they convert. So to scale back, service-based business, how to market service-based business. If you want to sell, Google. That's the only way. If you want to build a database and drive trust, social media, email marketing, and all of those different things. You've also got other platforms such as what I'm doing here. You've got YouTube, you've got Spotify and podcasts and things like that. That's also great, but again, that's just education. That's just education. Now, the last thing that I want to kind of speak about in this is that your website is absolutely crucial because somebody's going to come to you with a problem. Okay. They're going to come to you with, my tax bill was too high, or, I can't find this, or I've got this problem, or I'm just starting out, I don't know what to do. There's loads of different problems. And the content on your website needs to be correct. Okay. This is why I personally go FAQs. Putting FAQs on your website, and a number of them, not 2 or 3, 10, 15 FAQs, does two things. One, Google loves it. Absolutely bloody loves it. You've got a chance of ranking if you've got FAQs on the site, because if someone asks that specific question, boom, you've answered it, you're up. Love it. And secondly, it speaks direct to the customer. They don't need to read a ton of stuff to find out their information. They go, oh, there's the question that I'm after. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, yeah, I'll just get in contact. Okay. FAQs are absolutely great. Now, what we've started to do on our website and on some of our clients' websites as well is starting to use a lot of video. Okay, the introduction of AI technology is actually really good now. So what we started to do is get some AI technology, get that content, turn it into a video and put it on their website. So some people like to read. I'm a reader. Some people like to watch a video. I always have the videos on silent. So what we do is we stick a video with subtitles and the content. So if you want to listen, if you want to read, or if you just want to watch a video with subtitles, you've got all three. So it doesn't matter what kind of person you are, when they get to the website, you're catered for and you can get the right information that you need. So to scale back how to market a service-based business, give education and be found on Google. And keep doing it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Eventually, you'll be top spot and you will be winning that clientele that you want. As always, if you need any help, come and see us, hcmediagroup.co.uk. We never charge for the first kind of consultations. We can share screens with you of our tools and show you what your competitors are doing. We can analyze your stuff completely free. Come see us. But for now, thank you, and I'll speak to you soon.